So we're gonna do another blind test for today, and I'm super excited today because we have the ZSX now in the house. So you have 6 IEMS for this blind test: TFZ T2, Thin Audio T3, TRN V90, ZS10 PRO, and also the ZS10 PRO, and of course the ZSX. So in typical zpolt labs fashion, we're gonna start with the blind test and after that the sound test. So now I'm gonna show 6 letters on the screen. You guys choose what is the best for you.
Just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop.
That is our blind test. What have you chosen? Let me know down below. Stop this video first. Of course, now we're gonna proceed to the sound test, and I'm gonna reveal the IEMs on the screen. Just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. So that is our sound test. Again, it will be really interesting what you guys chose in the end. Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.